Hey guys, and welcome back to the Brown Skin Next Door. I am BROWNSKINJHAI, and today's look is this Valentine's Day look. Not your typical Valentine's Day look, a Valentine's Day look with a twist, so let's get into it. Okay, I'm already going to start off with my eyes kind of primed with my NYX Gotcha Covered concealer in the shade Golden. And then I'm going to go into my ABH Prism palette, and I'm taking the color Lure. I think that's what it's called, L-U-R-E, on my Morphe M513 brush. And I'm going to take that color and pack it right into my crease. I'm going to pack until I get like the desired intensity that I want. And then I'm going to start kind of sweeping. So you're going to see me do packing and then windshield wiper motions. Next, I switch over to my Morphe M441 brush and kind of buff it all out so it won't be any harsh lines. Next, I'm going into my Glam Forever palette, I think it's called 35E palette. And I'm taking that purple shade that you saw. The brush that I used, it doesn't have a name on it, but it's more of like a precise brush. And I kind of went in with that darker purple, like directly in my crease to define my crease a little more and to add depth into my eye. Back into that Morphe 441 brush to blend both of those colors out. And then I'm going to cut my crease. And this is a BH Cosmetics brush. I forgot that name, but I will have it in the description box below. And I'm just using the same concealer I used to prime my eyes to cut the crease. If you guys want a more detailed video of me doing like a cut crease, just let me know and we'll get it popping for you. Oh, and that brush is actually it's a BH Cosmetics V18 brush, and that's what I use to do like to carve out my brows and to cut the crease. So it's the BH Cosmetics V18. Next, I'm taking that same precision brush that I used in my crease and putting Lure right on the outside of it. Now I'm taking my box of crayons, and it's the pink shade. Literally, it's called Pink in the palette, and I'm just kind of packing that in an angled direction. If you kind of see, I'm going on an angle really with it. Okay, the clip kind of went really fast, but I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and putting it in my inner tear duct, so I can put the shade White out of the box of crayons in the center, so that way the glitter can kind of be more present. And then I'm going to take a loose pigment. You'll see in a bit. I'm just going back and forth and making sure everything is blended out perfectly. But I'm going to take this loose pigment that I got from Hobby Lobby, to be honest. That little glitter. They came like in a pack of like 20 with all different colors. And they're so pretty. I'm just so like ready to use them on anybody. Like, seriously. And I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX foundation, and I'm mixing. I'll put those shades down below. But you guys already know the foundation routine, so I didn't put it in there. And I'm taking my Cannot Won't Stop concealer in the shade 15.9, I think it's called Warm Honey, and I'm just highlighting my face. You guys already know how to do this. Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Sway Mocha as my contour. And like I said, you guys already know how to apply foundation, highlight, and contouring. So if you guys don't, then let me know and I'll do a separate video for that. But for this purpose, we're just going to speed through.
Turn up the music. Turn up the music, make it louder. How I feel it in my veins. I make up the night. I feel alright. The music's got me, nothing don't stop me. Turn up the music, make it louder. How I feel it.
Next, I'm taking my Airspun setting powder. I'm just putting it everywhere we put that concealer so we won't crease up and it doesn't move on us.
Turn up the music, how I feel it. Turn up the music, I feel alright. The music's got me, nothing don't stop me now.
Contour with that little soft brown color. I did my other eye and my eyeliner and my eyelashes off camera just because it's a whole process and I need complete control and focus, and doing it on camera, I be losing my mind.
Turn up the music, make it louder. How I feel it.
And next I'm taking my MAC Studio Finish, I think, in the shade NW45 and setting it everywhere so everything is blended and wiping the setting powder and stuff like that off. Next I'm taking any old black eyeliner and just lining my waterline. I really don't use black, but for the purpose of this video it just didn't look right with like any other color, so I'm using black. Then I'm taking this blush color, I don't know what it's called, but I'm using that as a blush, and then I'm going into my ABH Aurora palette, and I think that shade is called, I don't know, I don't even know what it is, but if you have that palette or in silver highlight, it'll do.
Turn up the music.
Next, I'm lining my lips with NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. And then I'm taking NYX Lingerie in the shade Push Up for the center of my lips. And then we're kind of done with this look, to be honest. I think I set my face with Fix by Spray. Yeah, and we're done with this look. This is my Valentine's Day look with a twist. I hope you guys like it. I hope it was easy for you guys to follow through. I might do a part 2 Valentine's Day look, more on the Valentine's Day side. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye!